Good day everyone, today I will show you the most amazing home designs that you will surely love. Let us briefly leave the chaotic and the hustle and bustle of the city life and start the journey from the real world to a place in your imagination. What could the richest person in the world possibly do if they grew tired of city life and chose to return to a quiet life surrounded by an exceptional and paradisiacal beauty of nature? Would you want to live in this place? A place where you can appreciate and thank God for creating our nature. A life that is peaceful and close to natural beauty cannot be matched by any material thing. Why do wealthy people prefer to live near the ocean? This is so they can freely go wherever they want. No traffic obstacles, no one directing you like on narrow roads and noisy vehicles. Continue to follow and be amazed by the next video. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.